Again, we're sitting here just chilling like a few minutes ago. The fuck was that? The fuck was that? The fuck that sound like to you?
It sounds like something so.
The fuck was that fucking noise? It just came from up there. Who's up here? Hey, who's up here? What the fuck? Chantel, shit is all. You okay? Hold on, don't come up here. The fuck? The fuck all on the fucking ground? There was a lamp, just like you said. The fuck? Shit's all fucked up here. Damn. The shower thing fell. The hell? Wow. Gotta get the fuck up out of here. What the fuck I'm about to do? Shit. Fuck, girl, goddamn it. I ain't talking about you. Go down there. The fuck? Shit's all fucking turned the fuck over. The hell? This shit ain't got serious now.
Yeah.
Playing my shit. Son of a bitch. I just put that up there. What the hell? Shit's fucking weird around here. Some lamps all turned over. The fuck? Look, that lamp over too?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the fuck up out this room. Shit. What the hell? See? Told you. Shit's going down. Shit's going down, you guys.
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Shit's going down. Oh, I gotta call, get the fuck up out of here.